Hey there, and welcome to my project overview. I'm just going to give you a little bit of information about the lessons, the content, and what's going to be expected from the students. So, for this is Year 5 Science, Earth and Space Sciences, but for this lesson specifically, we'll be focusing on the solar system, identifying the planets of the solar system, and comparing how long they take to orbit the Sun. So, if we take a look in the overview, this is mainly just for the teachers. This just gives a little bit of a rundown of the information, what I'm really expecting from the students, the topics, the rationale, and the meaningful learning framework, which is including active, authentic, constructive, cooperative, and intentional learning. I've also just given a little bit of information based on what I've written for the lessons, which you can review at a later date. For the project content, this is the lessons. There is 6 lessons. Lesson 1 is just going to be a little bit of an introduction for the students. There's a planet video. This is just a little fun song that identifies the planets, and there's an accurate speed animation of the solar system orbiting the sun in another video. For lesson 2, you'll be showing the students a virtual type world. This is called Solar System Scope. It's actually really cool and really interactive. You can see all the planets and all the stars as well and see how close they are to the sun. In lesson 3, this is when you'll be introducing the end product. You'll be dividing the students into groups of 3 or 4 depending on the class size, but there must be 8 groups as there is 8 planets. And then you will show them a quick video on how long the planets take to orbit the sun, and then a quick discussion to reflect on what they've learned. The next 2 lessons, which is lesson 4 to 6, this will be for you to give the students a chance to research the information for their animation, and lesson 5 will be the actual creation of the animation. I've actually chosen Scratch because I think it's really quite easy for the students to grasp and use. It's also really interactive and a lot of fun and will bring out the students' creative side. Lesson 6 is actually the presentation of the animations. They should go no longer than 5 minutes just because it gives each group a turn to present. Perhaps allow a time after the class presentation for the students to reflect on how they found the end product. Also, if you're not completely confident with Scratch, please make sure that you know how to use it, because if the students are struggling, they will come to you for help, and it'll be a great idea if you know how to use it so you can assist them. The final product, I've actually just created an example, but I would expect the students to have a lot more information than what I've put in. I just based mine on planet Earth because that was the easiest one at the time, but they will get each group will get 1 planet from the solar system. And in the last page, it's just about me, just about my teaching philosophy and my who I am. And if you want to get in touch with me about anything, about any of the lessons, you can just submit a message to me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But if there's anything else, don't forget to get in touch with me, and good luck.